Here we got Mondo over here on the E36 rear subframe. Blew out all the factory bushings, installing all the new Simi polyurethane bushings, control arms, front and rear subframe, rear diff bushings. This is what's gone smoothly. We walk over here, right? Obstacle number 1. So this is the E36, right? All the guys were telling me as they were opening up the boxes, they're like, hey, it says E30, it says E30. I was like, nah, that's fine. They probably just misprinted the boxes. Nope, come to find out. All the LS swap parts, headers, oil pan, motor mounts, transmission mounts, a bunch of other miscellaneous stuff was for an E30, which this is not. So obstacle number 1 to slow us down from getting to Fuel Fest. All right, but we're gonna make it work. Pops 240, I'm gonna send you some nice clips to insert in the video of the progress of the stereo. OBS, all right? Oh, right here, you like this? All right, over here. We're going in on the brake line. So basically we are starting from the rear, finalized with the front. Mondo already knocked everything out on the front side. We have the stainless lines for the rear brake lines all the way up to the Y-bone here. All done. We got a soft line that we're waiting for to go from this side to the chassis. Come up front. We had to modify some shock mounts because the tabs that originally came on these were a little weak. So we went ahead and modified those, reinforced that. Brake lines coming off of the master. Everything for one of the rears, one of the front ones is done. Need to finalize this one. We got the soft line coming out this caliper into the bulkhead. So brakes are almost done. Then we gotta do AC, seats for Blake's big ass, and then hopefully then this can go to get the stereo done at Allen Edge. I'm still fucking thinking about all this shit. Hey, team's knocking it out. That's all I gotta say. All right, great progress in all the builds. Oh shit, hold on. Let's go. Woo, boy, let's go check it out. Hold on. Boost is way too fucking late on it. I couldn't even fucking light these motherfuckers up. Oh boy, I've been waiting to have that shit. Oh yeah, we good. You should have got that shit outside, homie.
Let's do it again.
I will.
Oh, yeah.
Schedule it when we actually have everything here.
Oh.
When you come to pick up the car, yeah, he can go over everything with you. Okay. Thank you. Bye-bye. Oh, shit to throw at you. God damn it. Lock the door. Stay in there then.
Excuse me?
Stay in there!
Hello? Hello? That's normal now. I'm not in the closet though.
You came out?
So sensitive.
Oh my goodness.
Shit. Wow. I'm glad I have. Oh! This is a Hawaii race. Actually, I got a shirt from today too. I'm calling HR.
Call HR.
H&R Block.
Call HR. I'd love to hear them.
I'm calling them right now. All right, y'all, so a brief update on the progress of, let's say, Fuel Fest projects, okay? We got the 240 back from the stereo shop. Alan has killed it as usual. So we'll pop trunk. So they did a custom sub enclosure. This is the rear section. It's missing the SS logo right now. That'll be flush mounted in there. Backlit as well. You come over here. Seat's already permanently up. I don't know why, but anyway. God damn it! There's the custom front panel of the box. You can see the exposed coaxial speakers, single 12, and there's gonna be a custom logo right there. It's gonna say Pops 240Z. That's just gonna be fine. So Mondo and Matt are on this right now. Mondo's installing the dash to test fit it so we can do the vintage air AC. And Matt is now fabbing up the hydraulic e-brake, which is a dual purpose. It actually works as an e-brake and a... You always hear those memes of how loud those motherfuckers are?
Yeah, that's what I was thinking of.
Which works as an e-brake and a hydraulic e-brake, so we can actually slide this thing. You know, I know that wasn't Pop's intentions, but we gotta put it in a few corners, see how she does. After that, we got brake lines, finish up a few things on the wiring, and this shit should be started by next week, so stay tuned for that one, all right? So update on E36. So as of right now, the part situation is getting rectified. We already removed everything that we needed to. We're gonna send it back. Hope we have the right parts in by next week. So Mondo went ahead and knocked out all the suspension bushings for right now. We are going to... Well, shut your ass up. We're gonna be doing coilovers and control arms because the client had dropped off. Hey, where'd you put all that shit?
Oh, what shit?
All the stuff that came
Under the table like you asked me to.
look at that, look at that, look at that. Hey, you better calm your little ass down before I come over there, pull something out and backhand you.
You gonna pull something out and back me like the nuns did or what?
Look, tell Josh to cut the fucking camera, cut that shit off. Don't film the bruise on his face anymore. We got control arms, so a bunch of front suspension, coilovers, brakes, trying to convince him to do a dual caliper setup on the rear so we can slide this thing as well, because that was the intention for this build. All right, this one's coming along phenomenal for right now. Let's keep moving. Let's go. There you go, man. $62. I'm not even sure where we left off on this one. Basically the dash is done. We got the radio in. Poncho's finishing the wiring on this. Air ride's done. We had a leak with the hydraulic rams for the convertible top, so we sent those out. So the top's not in. That's why the rest of the interior is not in. But as far as the stereo, crossovers are done. Capacitor's done. Come on back here. We got amplifiers in. Subs are in. Beauty panels have already been tested, so we know that everything fits. But before we finalize it, we're gonna install the radio, turn this thing on, make sure it all works and functions as it should, and then this thing's going. All right, I actually surprisingly would say this one is coming out quicker than I expected. We just got the wheels back, so these 22 by 10, 22 by 8.5. I think that, hey, look, MTW billets look phenomenal on this thing when it's laid out. All right, what else we got? Got Nando over here knocking out the front end on the Monte Carlo. He's doing some, come people real quick. He's going in on the frame. We had to section the frame because we wanted to clear the 24s, but at a lower ride height. Like I wanted this thing riding 24s with like maybe a fucking pinky gap. He's handling all that right now. Got this side done. He's doing the driver's side. This thing should already be done for the front. And then over here, we got Hardo knocking out some collision repair on this lovely SS, all right? So when I say we working, all right? A little stressed right now. Well, what is it? What's the date today? Today's the 12th. We got, respectively, like 20 days? 20 days, so we'll see what happens. Shit, my crew's solid though, so we're gonna be good. I'm out.